Minister of misinformation, information Lai Mohammed don't come outside and come dey blame the media and other Nigerians because of wetin he say Twitter choose Ghana as in headquarters in Africa. So wait, for una wey no know, Twitter choose Ghana. Twitter, where you know, yes, they choose Ghana as their headquarters for Africa. And according to them, they say because Ghana be champion #1, you understand, for democracy and being in a country where there is rule and law, among other reasons. As they can't select Ghana now, like Mohammed say, no, say na media cause am. And the other Nigeria, in fact, he started point fingers, point. See mouth like trouser. You come outside, they talk. You they blame media and other Nigerians. I think say before now these people plan. Say they go sue Twitter. No, I don't know whether they make mistake because I remember that time when the thing happened. They say they go sue Twitter. They even get meeting because of Twitter. Confused leaders. Now they come. They decide to go to another place. Don't they come outside with another issue? I don't know say men they do Aproko until I meet Lai Mohammed. Hey! Until I meet this man, then I know say how we get men where they talk the way Madam Aproko they talk. This man, oh lo. Every time they look for who to blame. I never see where something happen and this man just say, yes, it's my fault or something, or maybe blame his own concubine. A group of politicians. Every time he go come outside, he can blame for Africa. Hey, Lai Mohammed, this man fit even blame water because water allow fish to swim. Any small thing don't find it. Abeg Ghana, congratulations, make una carry the go. You understand? Very, very important. These people they never say anything. APC, una never even start. Twitter self even small. When una dey plan say una go sue them, una no imagine say something like this go happen. Okay? Now it don't shele, una eye don't red, it don't clear for una eye. Twitter do the right thing. Now where they think are my people? Imagine say they choose Nigeria. Oh my God, for you. Who is thinking what I'm thinking? Are you inside the thoughts? Imagine Nigeria where no get light. Now be say these people go they buy fuel every time to power generator to Ghana get light. These people sit down where they think and they calculate apart from the law and many other things where they talk rules and what. They have light. We get light to allow these people stay here. So that they use their small money, they buy fuel, buy fuel. You no get light, but you they look for Twitter. Me can't stay for Nigeria. I never even start. I bet my Twitter people and my fellow Ghanaians, congratulations. You people are doing us well. Yes, it better may not dey our side at all because these people they don't deserve any good thing. Because many comments that they wrote for that comment section as usual, I go reply on one by one. And not forget to share this Twitter matter, Ghana versus Nigeria versus Twitter, all of them together. Share them so that everybody go know say yes, Ghana has been chosen and now Nigeria is on serious fire because of that. And not forget to subscribe, click on that thing so that you know go they miss any interesting begin when we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.